Living in Crestview, Florida, means experiencing the best of both worlds: sunny, warm summers and mild winters with occasional rainfall. While this climate is ideal for enjoying the outdoors, it can be tough on the windows and doors of your home. The shifting temperatures, humidity, and occasional storms can cause wear and tear over time. Proper care and maintenance of your windows and doors are essential to keep them functioning efficiently, enhancing your home's curb appeal, and protecting your investment. Here's how to care for your windows and doors in Crestview's changing weather conditions. Regular cleaning to remove dirt and debris. Crestview's mix of humidity and occasional rainfall can cause dirt, dust, and debris to accumulate on your windows and doors. Over time, this buildup can affect the appearance of your home and even impact the performance of your windows and doors. To keep your windows and doors looking their best, make a habit of cleaning them regularly. For windows, use a non-abrasive cleaner and a soft cloth or sponge to wipe down the glass. For more stubborn spots or water stains, consider using a mixture of vinegar and water for a natural cleaning solution. Be sure to also clean the window tracks and frames to prevent dirt from accumulating and interfering with the window's operation. For doors, clean both the glass and the frame. Depending on the type of door, use the appropriate cleaning products to maintain the finish. For wooden doors, use a wood-friendly cleaner and polish the door to preserve its natural shine. If you have steel or fiberglass doors, a mild detergent mixed with water will work well to clean the surface. Don't forget to clean the door hardware, like handles and locks, to ensure smooth operation. Check and maintain seals and weather stripping. Weather stripping and seals around windows and doors are essential in keeping your home energy efficient by preventing drafts and moisture from entering. The humidity in Crestview can cause seals to degrade over time, leading to air leaks and moisture problems. In winter, cold air can seep into your home through cracked or worn-out seals, making it harder to keep your home warm. Similarly, during the summer, cool air can escape, leading to higher cooling costs. Check the weather stripping around your windows and doors at least once a year. If you notice any cracks, gaps, or wear and tear, replace the weather stripping to ensure a tight seal. For windows, inspect the caulking around the frame, as it can crack and shrink with changes in temperature and humidity. Reapply or replace the caulking if needed to prevent air and water infiltration. Lubricate moving parts for smooth operation. With the changing weather in Crestview, the materials in your windows and doors can expand and contract, potentially affecting their performance. For windows and doors with moving parts, such as sliding windows or hinged doors, it's important to keep the tracks, hinges, and locks lubricated. Regular lubrication will prevent stiffness, squeaking, or difficulty opening and closing. Use a silicone-based lubricant for window and door tracks, as this won't attract dirt or dust like oil-based products. For hinges, use a light machine oil or a specialized door lubricant. Applying lubricant to the locks and latches will also help ensure they function properly when you need them. Protect your windows and doors from the elements. Crestview's weather can bring both sun and storms. Intense sun exposure during the summer months can cause some materials to fade or crack, particularly wooden doors and frames. Protecting your windows and doors from the sun's harmful UV rays is essential to preserving their appearance and functionality. For wooden doors and window frames, consider applying a protective sealant or wood stain to create a barrier against sun damage. This will help prevent the wood from drying out, cracking, or fading. For glass windows, consider installing UV protective film or shades that help reduce direct sunlight exposure, which can also protect your home's interior furnishings from fading. Additionally, during stormy weather, especially when hurricanes or heavy rainstorms are expected, make sure your windows and doors are secure. If you have storm shutters or impact-resistant windows, ensure they are in good condition and can be easily deployed if necessary. Inspect for damage regularly. Frequent inspections of your windows and doors are important for catching any signs of damage early on. Look for cracks in the window glass, warped or swollen frames, or signs of rust on metal components. Check for any gaps between the door and frame that could indicate misalignment. If you notice any damage, it's important to address it right away to prevent further issues. For example, if a window frame is warped or cracked, it may no longer seal properly, leading to energy inefficiency and moisture damage. In such cases, it may be necessary to replace the window or door to restore its functionality and ensure your home remains secure and energy efficient. Consider professional maintenance and repairs. If you're unsure about how to properly care for your windows and doors, or if you notice significant damage, it may be time to call in a professional. Many window and door companies in Crestview offer regular maintenance services to help keep your windows and doors in optimal condition. Professionals can perform inspections, repair seals, replace damaged components, and ensure everything is functioning as it should. If your windows or doors are older and require frequent repairs, consider upgrading to newer, more energy-efficient models. Modern windows and doors are designed to withstand the elements, require less maintenance, and offer superior insulation against drafts and temperature fluctuations. Invest in storm-resistant features. Given the occasional storms and heavy rains in Crestview, you might also consider upgrading to storm-resistant windows and doors. Impact-resistant windows, reinforced doors, and weather-resistant materials can provide additional protection during severe weather conditions, helping prevent damage to your home and minimizing future repair costs. Conclusion: caring for your windows and doors is essential for maintaining both their appearance and functionality, especially in a place like Crestview, where changing weather conditions can take a toll on your home's exterior. Regular cleaning, checking seals, lubrication, and professional maintenance will help ensure that your windows and doors perform at their best, contributing to your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall curb appeal. By staying proactive with maintenance and addressing issues early, you can extend the life of your windows and doors, ensuring your home remains comfortable and attractive year-round.